I have done research and figured out how businesses are using ChatGPT for their productivity. You will find this video interesting if you're looking for idea to start a business using ChatGPT as your financial assistant. Let's dive in. Hi there, Svet. I am CEO of the company. I have staff of 20 people and I'm 25. Although I may not be a full-time expert in personal finance, I have learned a lot along the road and can provide some advices what has and hasn't worked for me. I am hoping to be able to help you with your own financial path by sharing some experience with you. First of all, let me explain what ChatGPT is and how it works. And make sure to stay to the end of the video because I have some awesome facts for you. ChatGPT is built on top of the ChatGPT 3 and ChatGPT 3.5 large language models. This artificial intelligence tool uses machine learning algorithms applied to the large body of text to respond to user queries that are surprisingly natural in tone. OpenAI claims that ChatGPT uses to support learning, which improves its performance based on user input. The company invests in AI trainers who play user and ChatGPT roles in their interaction with the model. ChatGPT's human-like conversational approaches are reinforced by trainers who evaluate the bot's responses against humans. In November 2022, OpenAI releases a chatbot called ChatGPT. It relies on OpenAI's ChatGPT 3.5 family of large language models and tuned using supervised and reinforcement learning. So ChatGPT is a game-changer tool in the financial sector. ChatGPT's ability to handle complex financial requests and provide accurate and reliable responses is one of the main ways it has impact in the financial industry. Because of this, financial advisors can use it to easily and quickly respond to their clients' questions on a lot of different topics and making it a priceless resource. ChatGPT has been used for new generation of chatbots that helps their financial advisors. Also, it helps their clients with a lot of different financial and investment tasks through natural language processing and conversational interface. AI algorithms such as ChatGPT are being implemented across a lot of different financial services, with key benefits for business and pressure from tech-savvy customers in mind. In addition to its current capabilities, ChatGPT can be easily adopted to manage new types of data and perform various tasks. ChatGPT in personal finance is widely adopted because people want their freedom in making financial decisions. AI is crucial for any financial institution that wants to be a market leader. This is true whether the institution provides 724 financial advice through chatbots powered by natural language processing or customizing its sites for wealth management solutions. Avoiding cyber attacks is a crucial use case for AI in financial sectors, since online payment fraud losses are projected to increase to 48 billion annually by 2023. Consumers are just looking for banks and other financial services that provide the secure accounts. With the help of ChatGPT, it's possible to spot inconsistencies in patterns. When evaluating a loan safety, AI has proven to be especially a great tool in business world. AI technologies like machine learning can enhance loan underwriting and decrease financial risk, what is very good for businesses looking for increasing their value. As accounts analytics and investors strive for sustainable growth, AI can help them to reduce financial crime through advanced fraud detection and spot anomalous activity. Effects of ChatGPT in financial sector is not limited to facilitating communication with clients. As a bonus, it has been used in analyzing financial data to do a better investments. Companies have taken advantage of ChatGPT machine learning capabilities to spot spikes and patterns in their financial data that human analysis may miss. Fact: ChatGPT is based on transformer architecture. As a result, ChatGPT outperforms competing language models when handling the long sequences and generating text. Do you like this video and want to learn more about ChatGPT? Subscribe to not miss my future videos about ChatGPT and how you can use it for your life.